Do in French. Do.
Faire.
With future forms. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart way to learn languages. For more resources and transcripts, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail English, do, make with French.
Faire.
Plus the future forms.
Elle fera. Nous ferons. Vous ferez.
And.
Ils feront.
Ready? Let's do this. Your goal today. You'll speak confidently and have a laugh or two along the way. By the end, you can use do, make equals.
Faire.
In daily life and promise actions like she will do, we will do, you will do, and they will do. Forms you'll use. Repeat after me, short and powerful. Do.
Faire.
Make.
Faire.
She will do.
Elle fera.
We will do.
Nous ferons.
You will do, plural, formal.
Vous ferez.
They will do.
Ils feront.
Mini dialogue at the cafe. Act it out with me, you're in a cozy French cafe. A. Can you make the coffee? B. Sure.
Je vais faire.
Le café. A. And the dishes? B. Don't worry.
Elle fera.
Le vaisselle après. She will do the dishes. A. Tomorrow, we will do the report. B. We.
Nous ferons.
Le rapport demain matin. A. At the workshop, you will do 3 exercises. B. Parfait.
Vous ferez.
3 exercices pour commencer. A. And the team? B. Pas de souci.
Ils feront.
Le reste c'est après midi. Drill. Quick swaps. I'll say English, you pop out the French. Ready, set, go. Do.
Faire.
Make.
Faire.
She will do.
Elle fera.
We will do.
Nous ferons.
You will do.
Vous ferez.
They will do.
Ils feront.
We will do the homework.
Nous ferons les devoirs.
They will do the shopping.
Ils feront les courses.
Culture tip. Real French with faire. Listen, imagine it, and lock it in. Do homework equals.
Faire ses devoirs.
Do the dishes equals.
Faire la vaisselle.
Make dinner equals.
Faire le dîner.
But, make a decision equals.
Prendre une décision.
Not.
Faire.
Une décision. Pro tip. In French, do and make often map to.
Faire.
Your life just got simpler. Quiz time. Lightning round. Answer out loud. Q. The French base verb for do, make. A.
Faire.
Q. Translate, she will do. A.
Elle fera.
Q. Translate, we will do. A.
Nous ferons.
Q. Translate, you will do, plural, formal. A.
Vous ferez.
Q. Translate, they will do. A.
Ils feront.
Q. Make or do the sauce first. The verb in French? A.
Faire.
Challenge and goodbye. You've got this. Time for your tiny challenge. Create 3 short lines about your day using
Faire.
do, make, then add 2 future promises like
Nous ferons.
le rapport demain and
Vous ferez.
la première partie. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a little every day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, transcripts, and bonus drills. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.